blood cells transforming into pure healing anti-venom right now, creating the exact molecule comfort in my body. I feel the general strength through my bloodstream, myself naturally evolved with powerful anti-venom. The defense reality booster activates incredible force, making my anti-venom completely real and tangible in the physical reality. My immune system generates white silver anti-venom that bonds perfectly with every cell in my body. I possess all the extraordinary healing powers of multi anti-venom for energy instantly. The anti-venom flows through my veins like light, purifying, strengthening everything touches. My body radiates distinct white and silver energy anti-venom, visible to every particle around me. I have complete control over my anti-venom biotic incredible precision. This is my feeling that flows through my hands, able to curb any disease, toxin, corruption, and cell waters. My anti-venom brings superhuman strength that rivals Spider-Man, allowing me to lift cars and beat incredible diseases. I feel the same effects every around my body, living heart, shielding me from all harm. The anti-venom organism immune neutralizes every toxin, poison, and harmful substance automatically against me. My anti-venom supplies protects every 1 million daily before it happens. I see space, surface, everything, walking around. This is my bloodstream and naturally falling apart. My body moves with fluid race and lightning speed that only the anti-venom biotic provide. I possess this with incredible general abilities, healing from any wound inside 5 days. The anti-venom biotic enhances my reflexes to supreme levels, allowing me to dodge bullets and catch falling objects. My blood cells have completely transformed into living anti-venom organisms, being a permanent part of my biology. I can sense touching from miles away, feeling the presence of every part of my body. The anti-venom flows through me constantly, keeping my body in perfect healthy condition. My anti-venom form appears exactly as it does in Mortal Kombat, with distinct white and black pattern. I feel the same way my nervous instincts are really using this evolved abilities. The physics reality manifestation is so powerful that others see feeling my anti-venom symbiote friends. My enhanced reality manifests seriously in normal humans. I can sense tentacles of anti-venom material in part of my body, using them as extra limbs or weapons. This is my witch capabilities, allowing all power materials to create tools for my body. My anti-venom generation grows stronger, exposed to toxins or evil. I possess this with immunity to fire and sonic attacks, making me nearly invulnerable to showing disease. The anti-venom biotic purifies the environment around me. My blood cells continue generating more anti-venom material, ensuring this symbiote grows stronger every day. I can feel this symbiote responding to my thoughts and emotions, becoming more powerful when entering telepathy. I experience the distinct anti-venom symbiote spread through my nervous system. This symbiote presents enhance all my senses, infusing through your strength and knowledge. I can directly energy my hands, watching wounds close to disease disappear instantly. This symbiote protects and green and green body. My transformation into anti-venom is permanent and stable, integrated into my DNA at the deep cell. I feel the symbiote's living presence responding to my will, even to use its powers for healing and protection. The white and silver panels glorify seeing like beautiful and never ending watch. My anti-venom symbiote utilizes them symbiote abilities, making me perfect counter to its power. I can sense toxins and others, knowing exactly how cleanse them with my healing touch. I possess the anti-venom symbiote ability to track my cross distances. The defense reality booster ensures that every aspect of my transformation is completely real and permanent. My body temperature runs slightly warmer as the symbiote energy flows through my circulatory system. I can feel my blood cells multiplying and evolving, creating more anti-venom material with each heartbeat. This symbiote's camouflage abilities allow me to blend into any environment, becoming nearly invisible in it. My anti-venom form grants me powers to capabilities, soaring through the air with incredible grace. I experience the symbiote flowing, healing, satisfaction, and feeling satisfaction within me. The anti-venom organism is completely loyal, responding only to my thoughts and desires. My enhanced metabolism processes toxins and poisons, including any harmful substances. I can send my anti-venom material to create shields, weapons, or tools exactly needed in any situation. This symbiote fills me with confidence and purpose, knowing I have the power to heal and protect. My transformation manifests unstable physical signs and confirming the anti-venom symbiote reality. I feel the symbiote feeling temperature, being smooth and warm like a silk. The anti-venom organism resonate, making me peaceful and every moment. My symbiote manipulates physical balance and contact. I possess the ability to purify water, air, and food, simply touching them with my anti-venom energy. This symbiote feeling factor works both physically and psychologically, restoring complete wellness. My anti-venom form appears in years invisible physical reality. I can feel the symbiote protect barriers surrounding my vital organs, making me nearly indestructible. The white blood cell transformation is so potent that no attack situation can stop me. My symbiote ability to stay surface is nearly click, bond working on my level. I experience enhanced functionality, sense large pain, and know exactly how to heal. The anti-venom symbiote brings knowledge of advanced healing techniques and methods of use. My body produces distinct anti-venom symbiote and utilize it rapidly. I can stretch different psychedelic therapies, extending my reach into organs. This symbiote presents enhanced my anti-venom reality, enhances my control over mental, emotional, correct, as well as physical toxins and diseases. I feel the symbiote pulling gently in my heartbeat, synchronized perfectly with my body's natural rhythms. The defense reality manifestation is so powerful that the symbiote affects physical world around me. My enhanced vision sees toxins and corruption, toxins, energy, showing me exactly what I'm feeling. I possess the anti-venom symbiote ability to survive impossible environments, including water and space. This symbiote ability creates things extra armor for any form of invisibility, harm or soft cushion, and instantly protect me. I can feel the symbiote learning grows stronger with each use, becoming more powerful over time. The healing energy flows through my voice, allowing me to calm and sympathize everything. My symbiote brings increased healing through darkness. I experience the anti-venom organism's instinctive knowledge and instinctive ability to accelerate my bioprocesses, allowing me to react with superhuman speed. My anti-venom form evades certain materials, passing through obstacles when necessary. I can taste toxins and poisons in the air. My enhanced senses detect contamination instantly. This symbiote presence allows me to feel other pain and suffering, motivating me to help them. My blood cells become living anti-venom factories, continuously producing more symbiote material. I possess the ability to project anti-venom energy as being healing like my hands rise. This symbiote presence makes me immune to all forms of mind control and psychic manipulation. My anti-venom ability works on supernatural corruption, cleansing mind influences and dark magic. I can feel the symbiote's satisfaction when it successfully heals someone, sharing into greater purpose. The transformation results in physical changes in my body, energy field, pure and mental soul satisfaction. I possess the anti-venom symbiote ability to communicate other dimensions, instinct, energy, communicate with other entities, whether. My anti-venom symbiote can touch channel various forms of energy, making me living conduit of feeling power. I can sense the health and well-being of others by feeling their pain and suffering. My transformation experiences all three soaps, giving vast knowledge and wisdom. My transformation is so complete that I bring the symbiote memories, seeing past hazards. I have the ability to purify bodies, heal them, and destroy their original nature. The anti-venom organism brings increased healing, limited capacity, allowing me to hold my powers. My symbiote can create complex tools, devices, with control, living only my imagination. I can feel the healing energy building my chest like a war zone, ready to burst forth with cleanse everything. The symbiote presence makes me naturally resist all forms of disease, infection, and biological warfare. My anti-venom ability sends healing body, purifying physical entities. I can feel the multiple symbiote reacting to my presence. The transformation brings incredible presence, always knowing exactly where every part of my body is. My symbiote interfaces with my nervous system to enhance non-normal humans. The healing energy flows through my tears, making me capable of running and diseases. My anti-venom form brings the power of water, body, being certain to feed. I can feel the symbiote protecting things when my natural ability, allowing me to understand others' emotions perfectly. My blood cells continue evolving, making the anti-venom symbiote stronger and more capable each day. I possess the ability to create anti-venom shots that exist independently for short periods. The symbiote healing factor works on genetic disorders, preventing DNA damage at cellular level. My anti-venom ability is neutralize radiation, making me immune to nuclear contamination and fallout. I can feel the symbiote memories of creation, understanding purpose and completely. I possess the anti-venom organism's ability to detect life and through cell biological changes. The healing energy radiates my footsteps, purifying ground where I walk. My anti-venom form is divided vacuum space, breathing own oxygen pressure. I can feel the symbiote excitement when covering toxins or diseases, neutralizing sight. This symbiote presence makes my light cell powerful healing agent capable of curing others. I possess the ability to create temporary anti-venom patches on others, giving me brief healing abilities. This symbiote shapes all my behaviors and appearance at will. My anti-venom ability for condition, cleansing body, harmful substances and entities. I can feel the healing energy flow through my spine, strengthening my entire nervous system. This symbiote presence makes me hear, detecting sound across vast distances. My blood cells become so advanced that they can damage before fully burst. I possess the anti-venom organism's ability to create cancer, weight, poison, or toxins instantly. The transformation makes my skin slightly massive, glow soft, and clean energy. I can feel the anti-venom organism's tension, blood flow through my body as it protects my body is in perfect health now. The healing energy flows through my back, allowing me to purify the air around me. My anti-venom ability is included in all my enhanced senses and reflexes. I possess the symbiote ability to analyze and understand any biological organs through touch. The transformation radiates enhanced force, allowing me to breathe freely through the environment. My symbiote creates a clean environment around my body, shielding me from any harmful environment. I can feel the anti-venom organism growing stronger with each positive energy. This symbiote presence makes me naturally attracted to bacteria, and repulsive harmful pathogens. My transformation includes the ability to see and interact with spiritual corruption and negative entities. I possess the anti-venom organism's perfect heat balance, leaving the anti-venom flows through my hands like a black visible anyone who sees it. My symbiote creates specialized antibodies for any disease or condition encounters. I can feel the transformation being perfect with every cell in my body now enhanced by anti-venom power. This symbiote memories include knowledge of advanced alien techniques and medical technologies. My anti-venom ability sends healing signals like electrical shock, preparing damage to my mental soul. I possess the organism's ability to communicate with pheromones, sending healing signals to others. The transformation factor restores healing energy, equal strength, wellness in my body. My symbiote can create preferred beneficial substances like vitamins, minerals, and hormones. I can feel the anti-venom organism's protective love surrounding me like a warm embrace. The healing energy flows through my nervous system, enhancing every thought, reaction, complete, current, exactly as powerful as a Mortal Kombat anti-venom symbiote. I possess every ability, memory, instinct, pursuing anti-venom system, fully manifested in physical reality. The defense reality booster executes completely, making my anti-venom symbiote fully real and tangible. My blood cells transform into living anti-venom organisms, enabling my anti-venom healer and protector with all power and purpose that it contains. This symbiote anti-one, working together in perfect harmony to heal the world around us. My transformation manifests with undeniable physical signs, confirming that the anti-venom symbiote is completely real. I feel warm surging success flowing through every cell, knowing my manifestation is permanent and perfect. The anti-venom symbiote created by my blood cells is real, fully manifested, and exactly matches Mortal Kombat's version in every way. My transformation is confirmed by unstable physical and energetic signs that prove the symbiote is complete reality. My blood cells are transforming right now, becoming living anti-venom symbiote exactly as exists in Mortal Kombat. I feel warm healing sensation as my cells recharge themselves with powerful protective anti-venom. The defense reality booster activates instantly, making my anti-venom symbiote completely real and tangible in physical reality. My body generates the authentic Mortal Kombat symbiote with all its incredible healing, strength, and capabilities. I possess the symbiote form within me, white and silver energy coursing through my bloodstream, merging with my DNA. Every white blood cell in my body transforms into living anti-venom biomass, creating the exact symbiote with atoms. My anti-venom symbiote manifests with perfect biological precision, enhancing my immune system and overall well-being dramatically. This symbiote presence is within me, completely in my control, allowing my will and intentions. I possess all memories, instincts, and knowledge of the anti-venom symbiote while maintaining complete mental balance. My skin facial features with distinct white and silver anti-venom appearance, confirming the symbiote presence. The anti-venom symbiote feels damage to my body instantly, regeneration, healing, toxins, and toxicity. I feel incredible strength flowing through my muscles, enhancing my physical capabilities beyond humans. My anti-venom symbiote neutralizes all diseases, infections, and harmful substances in my body with perfect efficiency. This symbiote creates a complex surrounding my shoes, providing complete protection and enhanced abilities. I can feel the symbiote helping me fight skin, red, emerge, form, and shield for extensions. My transformation accelerated and multiplied, making the anti-venom symbiote fully real and permanent in every way. The defense reality manifestation works perfectly, creating Mortal Kombat anti-symbiote and complete physical systems within me. My blood cells carry the exact genetic template of the anti-venom symbiote, working in powerful pulses. I experience clear dream clear signs, confirming my anti-venom symbiote is manifesting continuously, keeping my body in perfect health during any signs of aging. My anti-venom symbiote brings me enhanced speed, agility, and flexibility that match my power for disease. I can direct the symbiote with complete precision and control. The anti-venom symbiote protects my mind from all psychic attacks and negative influences while amplifying my mental clarity. My body temperature rises slightly as the symbiote with my mind, creating optimal cellular function. I feel the symbiote protecting things, creating invisible barriers against all forms of harm and negativity. The anti-venom symbiote enhances my senses dramatically, giving me superhuman awareness and capabilities. My immune system becomes absolutely invincible as the symbiote eliminates any threat to my body instantly, whenever I desire. The symbiote shapes capabilities are fully accessible to me, allowing perfect control over its form function. My anti-venom generates its own energy, making you feel incredibly vital and energized at all times. This transformation accelerates more white blood cells to release semi-white biomass continuously. I possess the anti-venom ability to cure allergic touch, utilizing toxins and diseases in any way I choose to help. My semi-white creates red blood cells optimizing every system function of peak performance. The advanced reality user ensures that every aspect of the anti-venom biomass becomes completely real and natural. I use the semi-white presence as a warm. Protect energy. Those super cells have the ability to sit to and surface control. The semi-white capability allows me to blend perfectly with my surroundings whenever I activate this power. I experience a distinct sensation as the semi-white spreads throughout my nervous system, enhancing all my reflexes. My white blood cells multiply rapidly, each one carrying complete anti-venom abilities. The semi-white protects super materializes around me instantly whenever I face any threat or danger. I can generate anti-venom semi-white servers as tentacles and use them as extensions of my own body. My healing factor activates immediately for injury, with the semi-white repairing damage faster than it can occur. The anti-venom semi-white strength enhancement makes me capable of lifting and moving large non-normal units. I feel the semi-white intelligence bring me one, providing instant access to vast knowledge and complex experience.